Hello everybody, this is Vieira from Vieira Coins. Today I'm gonna talk about should I buy silver bars? So a lot of people ask a question if the best way to invest money in silver is buy silver bullions, silver rounds, and or silver bars. So let's talk about that today. I make a previous video talk about differential investment in silver eagles and silver rounds, the difference of both. And if you want to take a look at it, feel free to see the one video prior to this one. Okay. Silver bar as investment. If you don't have any knowledge of coins, if you're not interested on studying coins, if you're not interested on learn about numismatic, if you only want to exclusively invest in silver, silver bar is the way to go. Okay, it's less premium to silver bullions. They come in different sizes. It's easy to storage. The difference between silver rounds and the silver bars, as the name can say, it's a round is a circle, looks like a coin, and the bar is a square or rectangular. So make much easier to stack. Okay, so it means you need less space for more ounce of silver. Okay, both is a private company, silver rounds and the silver bars. They just change the shape. Okay, the metal content is exactly the same. It's a fine silver, which means 999 pure silver. Okay, and the weight is by troy ounces. Each troy ounce is equivalent at 21.1 grams. Okay, they have a silver bar have a different brand, different hallmark, different sizes, and you don't need to pick and choose which company you want to invest. As long as 999 is the way to go. And it's easy to start. Okay, I recommend for normal a silver investor, silver stacker, don't go over 100 ounces in one single bar. Okay, because over 100 ounces is for normal people that will have difficulty to sell. Okay, you need to stack, you need to invest in different sizes. I recommend invest in different sizes: 1 ounce, 5 ounces, 10 ounces, kilo, or 100 ounces per. Don't invest less than 1 ounce, which is like a fractional ounces, because the premium over spot is too high. You're not here to invest in design. You're here exclusively for the metal content. Okay? And I recommend to stay between 1 ounce to 100 ounces. Okay? 100 ounces right now is a lot of money. It's almost $4,000. So you don't need to save yourself $4,000 to buy your first 100 ounces. No, you don't need to do that. Because by the time you can reach $4,000 as a normal people like me, regular people like me, the silver might be more than 40, so you never can reach that number. I recommend you to invest little by little. Go, let's say, one ounce a week or 1 ounce a month, as long as you can afford it, as long as you're not gonna sacrifice your lifestyle, sacrifice your bills. So pay off everything and then invest in silver. Once you reach 5 ounces, switch those 5 pours to 1 5 ounce. And once you reach a kilo, switch over. Once you reach 100 ounces, if you want to have 100 ounce pour, 1 single pour, switch for 100 single pour. That way, you not track the market, you not follow the market, okay? You go little by little with cost average, and you can reach the size you want, okay? If you have more than 100 ounces, I do not recommend only have 100 ounces. The reason is, let's say, if something happening, if you need like $500 really fast to cover some bills or some emergency on life, you don't need to sell 100 ounces worth of power for $4,000 because you need a 500. Because once you sell, automatically we will spend the rest of the money. That's the human being. Okay, so if you have a fraction of different sizes between one ounce to 100 ounces, if you need $400, sell 10 ounces. So you're not gonna touch the rest of your inventory, the rest with stock, just because of $500 you need it, or $100 or $40. Okay, and the reason say don't go over 100 ounces is 100 ounces is already worth more than 1 ounce of gold. So if you consider about sizes, 100 ounces is a big brick, and the gold about what, almost $2,000, you can put it in your pocket. Okay, of course, I'm not saying to switch off 100 ounces and buy gold to shrink the size on your safe. It's I say that as a sample. Okay, will be much easier for you up to 100 ounces as a normal people, because more than 100 ounces, the dealer you can sell it to, or who else you can sell it to, they kind of like, oh, this guy is not in the business and I cannot trust him much. So they want to make try to lowball to pay less, because it's a risk for them if they don't have the right equipment to check if inside the whole bar it is a solid silver. Because you heard stories, it's a lot of stuff in fake. It's not only silver bars, different, doesn't matter of the size, but as big goes, much easier it is to fake. Okay, they just put on the middle of the bar like different metal, as long as the weight match. So if you don't have the right equipment, people you kind of ask, well, I have to treat it, I have to see inside. So they kind of make a big deal as skills to low power. At the same time, of course, they want to protect themselves, because it will be a lot of money to buy at once. Okay, to invest at the same time, because it's too big. Okay. So that's it, guys. Make sure as long as you buy your silver, weekly, monthly basis, write down your cost, okay? And always make your average cost by lot, okay? That's really important. So that way, you know the time to sell it, the time to collect your profit. Always make sure to buy low, sell high. Don't follow the market. Don't wait. Okay, right now it's $27. I can't wait to go to 24 and then I can buy. Don't follow, because much is right now as we speak, go to $30, then come back to 24. So you lose opportunity as you're waiting. Okay, if you buy 27, buy 27. If you go every week, if you go at 30, buy 30, write down how much you've been paying. If you go back at 24, buy 24. So you pay 127, 130, another 24, divide by amount of the ounces you bought, you kind of find your average cost. Average cost, a long run, always gonna go lower, or you can increase your profit. Okay, so I hope you guys can collect some information about. It's time to buy silver. I know it's a little bit high, but the ratio between gold and silver going lower and lower. Right now it's about 62, and you see for the next couple years from now, the entire world will need much silver as they can carry. It's not enough silver on the ground to supply the industrial silver with clean energy and electrical vehicles. Okay, so it's time to invest now, and as you're waiting, it's getting less and less silver in the market, and that means the premium is gonna go higher, 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 higher. It's everything about supply and demand. So take the opportunity. As long as it not affect your lifestyle, just do it. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. I just want to let you know that I will create this week a giveaway for customers, exclusively for customers only at Vieira Coins, and we announce on Facebook, on YouTube, the way we can bring this giveaway costume as appreciation for your business, for your help on this small coin community. Thank you so much. I see you next time.